Greetings, Eric Bakker, the naturopath from New Zealand. Does the master cleanse work? Is it a good detox? You've probably looked up this thing by now and you may have seen it. I think it's old hat now, the master cleanse, using maple syrup, using spring water, I believe, lemon juice. What else do they put in this stuff? Cayenne pepper, you know. I mean, it's so many people are using it now. It's almost like crack. Everyone's on it, you know, this master cleanse. I've had a lot of questions on people asking me if this is a great way to lose weight or a great way to, you know, get rid of their dementia or their hemorrhoids or improve their marriage or pay off their mortgage faster or whatever. People are under this illusion that if they go on these sort of cleanses and detoxes that all of a sudden they wake up like they've won the First Division Lotto. Come on. Did you come down with the last rain shower or what? Do you really want to believe this sort of crap? If you look at the ingredients, you've got sugars in there, stimulants in there, you've got some citric acid in there. That's all it really is. It's a bunch of hooey, absolute bull twang, this sort of master cleanse. And then if you have a look at what they say is you cut out junk food and slowly, you know, increase the consumption of lemon juice more. And some people tout it as a great weight loss aid. Look, common sense prevails. If you want to lose weight, you've just got to shut your mouth, eat less food, and eat the right kind of food. It's a simple equation. People eat too much food, they eat too much of the wrong kind of food, and eat at the wrong time of day. And most people don't even chew food properly. If you get the basics right, you don't need to worry about weight loss because the body will find its own metabolic set point if you're eating good food regularly. You don't need these kind of cleanses and junk like this, you know. So these things don't really serve much purpose. But what you can learn from the master cleanse is a couple of interesting points. You can learn to have more lemon juice in your diet in general, which is a very healthy food. I've always recommended, you know, the inclusion of lime juice and lemon juice into the diet, and a little bit of grapefruit juice. These things are very good additions. They're bitter, they're sour, they stimulate digestion. When you start incorporating these things regularly, your taste for sweet foods will start waning more and more and more, and you won't want so much sweet because the sour and bitter will change your desire for sweet. It'll also improve your pancreatic health and your blood sugar regulation. So sour is smart to add to diet. And the other good inclusion is cayenne pepper. Small amounts here or there to stimulate your circulation and digestion. So cayenne are very good. Maple syrup, yeah, it tastes nice, but I can't really see the addition of this being of much benefit. But you don't need these like master cleanses and all this sort of stuff to do it. To me, it's just common sense, all right? You know the kind of food that you should be eating and shouldn't be eating. So when you start going beyond that and give disregard for what you're eating and then pile on weight and have to wait until you do some type of fasting protocol like the master cleanse to lose it, you're basically losing a battle. And that means that you'll generally be gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight over a period of time. This is regardless if you go on a keto diet, a paleo diet, or you know, this kind of master cleanse diet, whatever diet you go on. If you look at it as a diet, it generally means that you're going to do it for a certain period of time to achieve your target. And oftentimes you'll slip and you'll go back to your old ways and gain the weight again. So there's a huge amount of psychology here that you have to think about. The reasons why you've gained the weight and why you want to lose the weight. There's more to this than meets the eye. All right? But to me, you're fooling yourself if you think that these master cleanses or detoxes are the way to, you know, achieve ultimate health. The way to achieve ultimate health is simplicity in lifestyle and diet. It's getting your act together and getting things sorted, planning your life properly, working out a lifestyle that you really enjoy or you're happy with, particularly your relationships with people and your occupation. Those things have to do a lot more with your health and happiness than you realize. But these crash sort of courses here that people, you know, go on to attempt, to me it's like going down the shop and spending a couple of $100 on lotto tickets thinking you're going to win it big. But do you ever win it big? You never win it big. It's always somebody else. Thanks for tuning in.